everyone. And this is it. Ito na nga po, mas lalo na nating makikilala ang ating special guest for today. At exciting ito for us, lalo na po sa mga viewers natin na mga theater enthusiasts. I'm sure kilalang
theater nerds.
mga ganyan. I'm sure kilalang na to. Parang si VJ Gio.
Sobra po.
Dahil malapit...
Umaamin na po ako.
Malapit sa puso mo, Malapit sa puso mo itong pinagganapang musical ng ating guest. Kaya ito, simulan na natin ang kwentuhan. Let's welcome here on Letters and Music none other than Pinoy Pride, Joreen Bautista.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Joreen.
Welcome to Letters and Music.
And congratulations. Dahil talaga namang proud na proud ang buong Pilipinas dahil nga sa pagganap mo as Kim sa Miss Saigon.
Pride to our country.
Kahit pa, di ba? Kim is Kim. Kahit ano pa man na Kim.
Kilalang Kim yan.
Oo, di ba? So, ito, kamustahin naman natin. You were there for 2 years, di ba? For the tour.
Yes.
So, kamusta ang experience?
Overwhelming. It's one of the grandest chapters in my life.
Nice, no? At ang nakakatuwa kay Joreen, kasi nung gumanap siya ng role as Kim, sakto sa age mo.
18 siya.
Yes, I was 17.
You were 17
Ano ka
that
nag-birthday?
time.
Parang si Eva.
Yes,
Si
yes.
Eva.
O,
Doon
di
siya
ba?
nag-18.
So, saktong-sakto. I'm 17 and I'm new here today. Kasi, 17 talaga siya, di ba? So,
sayang naman.
meron bang challenges on your part when you portrayed the role of Kim?
Yes,
When you
po.
did the
There's-
whole Miss Saigon production?
It's a massive role. I think everyone who has played the role would go through challenges. For me, it was having to be the mother.
Correct.
Because being the 17-year-old Kim was easy for me because I was her.
But?
Being the grown-up version, it took a while.
Really?
And it took quite a lot.
So,
But I
paano
got there.
napalabas ni Joreen yung pagiging mother for your role? Ano ba yung dapat na ginagawa ng isang mga theater artists lalo or mga aspiring actors na hindi naman nila na-experience tong role na to?
Yung pagiging
Pero
nanay.
kailangan niyang gampanan, 'di ba? So, ano ba yung tip? Ano ba yung madaling tip na maibibigay mo? Para for me, kunyari ako, kasi 18 pa lang ako, hindi ko pa
Miss Saigon.
Oh, di ba? Marami pa ako hindi nararanasan. Pero kailangan kong ilabas itong character na ito sa isang role. So how would you do that?
To sum it all up, I think just tell the story and tell the story truthfully.
Yeah. Tell the story
Hindi
and
niya
tell
ba
the story
na-reach yung age na
truthfully.
18? Kasi, di ba, there's an explicit scene, like, yung kay Chris. How did you do it? Kasi, syempre, hindi ka pa 18. Mag-18 ka pa lang.
How did I do it?
Yeah.
Yung mature scenes. Yung mga...
The mature scenes?
Yes.
Explain.
De, pero ito I heard merong advice na binigay sa'yo si Miss Leia.
Yes.
Pagdating dito. Which is
Before I
napakaganda,
left.
diba?
Before I
Oo.
left, she quite a lot actually. But the main advice was she asked me actually and my parents to have a talk with my
Chris.
leading guy,
Yes.
with Chris,
Correct.
Ma-build up yung ano nyo.
to build that up, to set
The boundaries.
boundaries, to
Correct.
set.
At least, di ba, pagiging professional yon.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Yes.
bilang actors, kailangan nyo talaga pinag-uusapan
Mag-work
yung
each
mga
other.
roles ninyo.
Yes, yes.
At saka kung paano kayo mag interact with each other
Yes.
during certain scenes, right?
Yes,
Pero
yes.
ito naman ano yung baon-baon mo na natutunan mo? Maybe your mga advice sa'yo ng mga directors, kasi syempre mga big-time director yun. Producer,
Cameron.
hello, di ba? So, meron ba silang naibahagi sa'yo na advice pagdating sa pagiging isang mahusay na artist?
In terms of theater po,
Yes, theater.
that telling the story precedes singing. Story first before thinking about how my voice would sound, how
Yon.
I would look like, how you present. As long as you're truthful, as long as you stick to the truth.
Yun.
That's
Basta nafe-feel mo no? Automatic
Yes po.
lalabas
Yes
yung
po.
emotion na kailangan
Yes.
mong ibigay para sa
Yes.
certain scene. Pero eto, I heard, ito yung first professional role mo.
Yes.
Di ba? So, meron na
First
bang mga
theater?
kasunod na dapat nating abangan from Joreen?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. So,
Anastasia.
since you're back, or pwede, mamaya mapapakita natin yan, ha? Narinig ko sa soundcheck, napakahusay, at actually, pinost ko sa IG story ko yung
Ay,
kanyang
tinag niyo po ba
soundcheck.
ako?
Hindi pa nga, pero mamaya itatag ko. Nagmamadali ako,
Masyado kami
baka mamiss ko yung soundcheck ni Joreen. Kaya naman pinost ko kagad, wala nga akong tinag, wala akong sinulat, nagsasalita lang ako habang binivideo ko. But anyway, ikaw, meron ka pa bang role, any dream role sa theater?
Christine Daae from
Wow.
The Phantom of the Opera.
Ito, you also sing classical.
I try.
Oo.
Don't know. We'll see later if it works.
Pero before ba, nung nandito ka pa lang before your audition for Miss Saigon, ikaw ba nag-voice lessons ka? Or meron ka na rin bang mga theater experiences like sa school maybe? Or yung mga maliliit na productions? Meron na bang ganon?
Wala pong professional training. My mom would teach me.
Wow. So si Mami kumakanta?
Kumakanta po, pero not professionally.
Parang magpapasample tayo kay Mami, no?
Papa-vocal coach din po kami kay Mami.
Tapos nag-trumpets din po ako.
I see. That's why. So may
Yeah.
background ka na rin talaga sa
Opo, and
theater.
then a few
Piano.
workshops.
Were you with your mom during the whole tour? Or
No, I
ikaw
was
lang?
alone. I was
Really?
alone.
So, kamusta yun? Batang-bata ka pa, nahiwalay ka na sa family mo. Paano mo hinarap yung gano'n? Hindi ka ba nalungkot? Hindi ba naging masyadong challenging for you? Dumating sa point na parang, I wanna go home, I miss
18 pa
my
lang.
family, I miss my mom. Ganon.
Actually, it was hard po at first. It was exciting the first month, I'd say. So that was more happy. But at one point during the first contract, I had to do homeschooling as a 12th grade student while having to do rehearsals,
Must be
shows.
really hard.
oras.
Mahirap
It
yun.
was. And the first
Time
time
management.
living alone, time management, yes. Having to do my laundry, having to
Correct.
cook
Were
for
you
myself.
prepared for that? Ikaw ba, before flying to UK, nag-ready ka na, nag-aral ka na ng mga...
Paglalaba.
Ng paglalaba, pagluluto, pamamlansya, kasi wala nang gagawa nun for you eh. Unlike dito, pampered tayo ng parents
Mama,
natin,
ganun.
di ba?
Medyo po, but I guess you can't really be prepared until you are thrown in the situation.
Correct.
And
So,
that's what
crash
happened to
course.
me. I had, I was just thrown into it and I learned. You just
Correct.
skip a few years of
Napakagandang
your life and grow up.
experience.
So since eto, napakagandang experience din nun for Joreen na hindi kadalasang na-experience ng girls her age, ano naman yung natutunan mo from the independence na you experience at may mga realizations ka ba? Thank you for that wonderful question.
Naging miss you tayo.
Oo, ay pag Hindi kasi syempre, di ba, very seldom na nagkakaroon tayo
Yeah,
ng ganyang experience na malayo ka pa sa family mo. So, ano yung pinaka
1,000
natutunan
miles.
mo sa independence na nakuha mo sa pagiging bahagi ng tour ng Miss Saigon? Syempre, ikot-ikot kayo.
Once in a
May-
lifetime experience.
Oo, meron ka
yun
bang
eh.
na-realize nung panahon na malayo ka sa family mo?
Yeah.
Like, gusto mong gawin sa life mo? Do you see yourself doing this for the next 10 years? Part of the theater industry for the next few years? Or
Continuing your
na-realize
career.
mo, okay na tong na-experience ko to. So, iba naman ang tatahakin kong landas. May mga ganong ka bang mga realizations?
Well, about that, I definitely fell in love with the stage. I fell in love with the people. I fell in love with the music. And I really want to do it. I want to do more shows. I want to explore the industry a bit more. But I would say for me, and it's just a personal opinion, I don't want it to be everything I have. I want there to be something else. I don't want to just rely on this. It's beautiful, but I think it's nice to have something else
Aside from
besides
doing theater. Yeah.
For me, it works differently for different people.
Iba kasi ng perspective.
Oo, kaya nga tinatanong natin para malaman din natin ano naman sa part ni Joreen. Pero syempre, usually, ang mga theater actors and actresses dito sa Philippines, hindi lang sa teatro, kasi meron din silang mga music career, like recording, di ba?
Album.
Ikaw ba, may plans ka rin na mag-release ng mga single, album, ganyan?
Wala pa pong plans.
Pero Pumapasok ba sa isip mo yan?
comes
Na parang,
Sa listahan mo na ba?
oo, maglalabas. Like Miss Leia Salonga, ang dami ng mga hit albums ni Miss
Yes.
Leia, di ba? At nagkakaroon din siya ng mga concerts dito sa Philippines na inaabangan talaga ng buong Pilipinas. Ikaw ba? Ikaw, may bala ka ba ng homecoming concert? Para mapanood ka naman namin, di ba?
Bibili
Hindi,
agad
pero
ka
I'm
ng budget
actually-
payo ka lang.
I'm guessing in Gerald Santos' homecoming
Yan.
concert.
Wow,
Nakikita ko ngayon.
nice.
There will be a Miss Saigon part with Acel Santos and
Very
Tito Leo
updated.
Valdez.
Ay, wow! Nako, something to look
Kompleto yung
forward
cast.
to. Oo, correct. Kompleto ang casting. Pero syempre, ito pansamantala po muna nating puputulin ang ating pakikipagkwentuhan with Joreen dahil sa ating pagbabalik, hahantogan na tayo ng mga awiting nakita ninyo sa IG story ko ngayon. Buo na to. Buo niyong mapapakinggan at buong-buo niyang ipiperform para sa ating lahat ngayong hapong ito. Kaya naman, walang maglilipat ng estasyon. Magbabalik pa po ang Letters and Music. Kasama pa rin po natin, of course, ang Pinoy Pride, Miss Joreen Bautista. At napakahusay naman talaga umawit.
Sobra.
Nagandamandama at lalo na ngayon kasalukuyan. Oh, di ba kasalukuyan ongoing ang Phantom of the Opera? Di parang nakanood na rin
Classical
tayo.
voice niya,
Oo. Very versatile talaga as a performer. Pero ito na-mention mo kanina ha, na bahagi ka ng homecoming concert ni Gerald.
Yes.
So pwede ba namin malaman yung details? Saan ba to? Kailan?
Invite
Nakalimutan. In May 4,
May 4. Alright. At syempre
At
for more...
Soler.
Soler.
you can get your tickets at Ticket World.
Alright. And I'm sure marami pang mga upcoming shows and events si Joreen. At
Dami pang
kaliwat ka
aabangan.
ng mga mga
Lalo na
theater
nandito na siya.
companies ang mag-aagawan kay Joreen ngayon. Kaya naman para ma-update tayo, Joreen, okay lang ba i-share mo yung mga social media accounts mo
IG,
sa lahat ng
Facebook,
ating mga viewers?
Facebook, Joreen Bautista. Instagram, at Joreen Bautista. And Twitter, at Bautista Joreen.
Alright. At baka may gustong pasalamatan at batiin si Joreen this afternoon. Baka meron kang gustong batiin na nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Just everyone watching, thank you so much.
Ayan.
Fans Club.
Ang fans.
Fans
May
club?
Joreenatics na ba?
Magkakaroon na. Ako yung admin.
Si Gio ang admin ng Joreenatics and Joreen Friendships. Joreen Friendships.
Joreen
At-
International, mga gano'n.
Correct. At ito naman, humingi tayo ng message naman from Joreen para sa lahat ng iyong mga supporters, at lahat ng fans, at lahat ng sumubaybay sa journey mo sa Miss Saigon na nanonood sa iyong social media accounts. Kaya na-update tayo, malayo ka man sa atin. So, anong message mo sa kanilang pagsuporta sa'yo?
You have all been very, very, very inspiring, and you keep me motivated to do what I want to do, what I'm passionate about. So thank you so much. I
Ayan.
hope you never stop.
And
We love
panghuli,
you.
advice. Advice sa mga aspiring theater actors and actresses out there, aspiring performers, aspiring singers. Ano ba ang bibigay mong advice na galing mismo sa isang naka-experience mismo, nagkaroon ng opportunity na isa katuparan ng kanyang pangarap?
Nood ako kayo, ma'am. Sige po. Ano po advice?
Yes, your
Lumang advice ko na po to, pero it still lives until today. And it's still very applicable, very relevant. Talent will get you through the door, but attitude will keep you in the room.
Yan. Sa lahat talaga, importante pa rin
Take
talaga
note.
yung attitude. Hindi yung
Yes.
talent lang. Kailangan parehas magkasama
Number
sa lahat.
one sa
Diba?
list.
At syempre, maraming salamat kay Joreen for gracing the show. Nakaka-world class, diba? Nakaka-world class talaga
Dinala
ang
mo kami
letters
sa
and
Broadway,
music.
sa West
Correct.
End.
At sa pamamagitan ni Joreen, para na rin tayong nasa West End. Oh, why not? Para na rin tayo
Nanood na siya
nakipag-tour.
live.
At ito na yung Manila leg. Metro Manila leg. Di ba? At dahil dyan, bago tayo makipag-jamming with Joreen, batiin muna natin ang happy birthday si Ruby Jean Sakayan.
Sakayan.
Happy birthday at sana ma-enjoy mo ang ija-jam namin with Joreen dahil napakaganda ng awiting ito. At ito ay isa sa mga awiting minsan na niyang naawit sa UK tour ng Miss Saigon. No. At ito, magkakaroon tayo ng chance.
Ayokong maiyak.
Ayaw maiyak. Tissue. Gusto mo ng tissue. Pero again, thank you, Joreen, for joining
so
us.
much. Thank you
And
so
thank you for this
much.
opportunity to jam with you. Kaya ito, simulan na
Thank
natin
you
ang
for
ating
this
jam.
opportunity to jam with
Exciting.
you.
Okay, let's do this. They are not nice, they're mostly noise. They swear like men, they act like boys. I know there's nothing in their hearts, but every time I take one in my arms, it starts. The movie in my mind, the dream they leave behind, a scene I can't erase, and in a strong arms embrace. Leave this life, leave this place. The movie plays and plays. The screen before me fails. He takes me to New York. He gives me dollar bills. Our children laugh all day. They eat too much ice cream, and life is like a dream, dream, the dream I long to find, the movie in my mind. Ay, parang movie tong nangyayari ngayon. Thank you so much, Jareen.
Thank you so much.
Salamat sa napakasarap na jamming with you. At ito nga po ay isa sa mga awitin mula sa Miss Saigon. And this is called The Movie in My Mind. But before we say goodbye, ito syempre lagi po maging updated sa mga happenings sa Letters and Music. Just log on to our Facebook page, facebook.com/net25tv, and use our hashtag Letters and Music.
Send us an email, lettersandmusic@25@gmail.com.
Alright, at mapapanood nyo din ang mga episodes ng Letters and Music sa aming YouTube channel. Just subscribe sa youtube.com/net25tv.
Panoorin din ang iba pang programs ng Net25 via live streaming. Just log on to www.eaglebroadcasting.net.net/net25tv at ang aming official website, www.net25.tv.
At syempre, sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating kwentuhan with Miss Joreen Bautista. But before we say goodbye, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. I'm Apple Chu on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And do subscribe to my channel. It's called Channel Chu. At maraming salamat din po sa patisserie for my hair and nails. And thank you everyone for joining us again this afternoon. Kita-kits sa Pinas FM dahil doon natin ipagpapatuloy ang pakipagkulitan naman with Miss Joreen. So once again, I'm Apple Chu and I'm one with 25.
And I am VJ Gio. I am one with 25.
Thank you, Jareen.
Thank you so much.
Everybody. Kita-kits Pinas FM, 2 to 5 p.m. I'll be with Joreen pa rin. At pag-uusapan pa namin na mas detalyado pa ang kanyang journey sa Miss Saigon. No, sali ka, Gio. Oh, diba? Thank you, guys. Bye, everyone.
Saranghaeyo.
Kamsahamnida. Japanese na yun. Papaplug kami, Jareen, ha? Thank you.